Good morning, Jaycationers. We are here at my Airbnb. I wanted to give you guys a little bit of a tour of our Airbnb here in Sagrada Familia neighborhood. I just want to show you guys, when you're traveling with family, we got 7 people in our party. I want to show you the Airbnb we got. It's really comfortable for 7 people. So €1,250 it costs for 4 nights. I wanted to show you, we're on the balcony right now. Let me give you a little tour. So this is our balcony. Beautiful balcony overlooking a nice little mural of Antoni Gaudi holding a miniature Sagrada Familia. That's the Hotel Sagrada Familia. We got some nice condos over there. Then we go in. This is our living room. This is dining table. This is where Tito Piwi was staying, his bedroom. Nice little mural of Barcelona and a mixture of different buildings around town. That was cool. And then we go in here. There's Tita Uchi. Hola. And Tita Evie. Hello. Hi. This was just like a little closet slash office space where you can go do some work. The Wi-Fi is good. Here's the front door with the chandelier. That's me. Hi. This is the beautiful entryway with a bunch of different monuments throughout the world. You got Big Ben, Sagrada Familia, Eiffel Tower, Atomium, Statue of Liberty. Yeah, so a lot of things. And then look how long this hallway is. Very long hallway. And then this is a bedroom. This is the first bedroom. It fits 2 people. Nice little closet. And then you got this bathroom right here. So this fits for 3. They can share, three to share. And then this is a little unique that you got the kitchen with the stove. You got your dishwasher, microwave, pretty big and nice fridge and freezer. So you got everything you need here. They also have all the amenities and that. And then moving on this way, this is the bedroom I stayed in. Me and Jello stayed in. We got a nice little window right here. Closet. And then you move on into the master bedroom. This is where Jello and Mom are. And this is the master bedroom. The bathroom is right in here. And then outside, you got your washer. And then you can hang all your clothes out there, out that window, if you wanted to. So that's a little tour of our Airbnb here in Barcelona. So for €1,250 for 4 nights for 7 people, it beats paying $300 a night for a hotel room in the middle of the city. So this Airbnb is nice, very convenient. It's around a bunch of markets and shops. So you're able to get coffee in the morning if you want to go to a cafe. And then it's only 2 blocks away from Sagrada Familia. So literally the first hiccup of our trip, my parents were coming back from getting food, and these are the keys to our Airbnb. And my dad put the right key in, but it got jammed into the key lock, and they couldn't get the key out the key lock. Like they jammed it somehow. So for half an hour we were trying to figure out how to get the key out of it. Finally, somebody from the convenience store downstairs came upstairs and was able to forcefully get it out and get the door open and the key. All's well that ends well, but yeah, that's a problem we have to deal with when traveling with family.
They tripping.
Cue the wow, 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 wow. So this guy, what he did was, this was the door. The key was stuck, so this wouldn't open all the way, and the door wouldn't open, and the key was just stuck in the middle. This guy. What's up, Jaycationers? So it's day 3 here in Barcelona. Sorry I haven't been vlogging really well lately because I'm still trying to get used to this new camera and getting used to this time difference. No excuse though, so I'm gonna just be raw and just vlog, do a family vlog for the next few days. We're here in our Airbnb, beautiful Airbnb. So last night, what I was saying is my parents got locked out and 5 of us were here. The key got stuck in the keyhole and wouldn't come out, so we couldn't open the door from the inside or out. So for half an hour, we couldn't open the door. This is where it happened. This is the, see that? We're able to open it. and the key got stuck right there. So Madi couldn't open the door from here, and then it works. And there's this guy. This is the guy that
kept out my plug in the bottom.
Look at this clown right here, bro.
Hey man, talk about what happened last night.
This guy right here, he stuck the key in there, man. It got stuck in there.
Yeah, because I was inside the house.
I had to get Muhammad. Muhammad had to fix the lock.
And you're lucky he fixed it for you, bro.
Yes, sir. Yeah. He's a nice guy. He's the messenger of God.
Alright, Jaycationers, I've said this before many a times on my vlog. Pizza Circus is one of the best pizza spots in all of Barcelona. Pizza Circus, Pizza di Torre. Pizza di Torre is more like a Roman type of pizza. This is more like a New York style. And pizza made in Sicily is also pretty good, but Pizza Circus is creme de la creme. It's not too expensive either. $16.90 gets you a full margarita pizza, and like 20 euros gets you like a pizza with like a meat lovers pizza. So you'll see. Go check it out. Look at this.
Yeah.
What up, baby?
Tired of yo.
So we got pizza for everybody. We got 2 pizzas. It's huge. Way too much for 2 people. I mean, for 7 people. Jaycationers, we're back in our Airbnb. So when traveling with family, it's more sensible every now and then to eat in, especially if you have a huge Airbnb like this. Instead of going out, party up 7 and spending all this money at the restaurant, go down and get some to-go food, maybe go down to the grocery store, get some salads and some pasta, and even some paella, and it'll save you a lot of money. That's it. And these are my titas.
Hi! We had a very wonderful experience here in Barcelona. I would certainly like to come back and enjoy these things, to be in the same company. And if I were to rate, it's going to be 10.
Wow, 10.
Okay.
10 out of 10.
On the suggestion of JJ, next year we will have our own condo in Barcelona.
So Uchi's flat.
Uchi's flat.
Only it can be had for a certain amount.
How much a day or how much a night?
It will be sensible, you know.
Like what?
150 a night.
150 euros a night. That would be very reasonable.
In a nice area.
Yeah. In the same area. In the same area.
There's Tito Peewee. Hey. He just climbed up Montjuic Castle.
Exactly, and my hips are all hurting.
So that's what I gotta say, guys. So when you're traveling with your family, because I'm trying to make this series where you're traveling with a large group and with your family, it's a lot cheaper for you to buy food and then just eat it at home. You know, less. Even though you gotta clean up and everything, you save a lot of money, family style. So instead of paying 200 euros for 7 people at a busy restaurant, waiting hours on end just to get a table, you have your table ready to go, and just go down to a grocery store and pick up some food. And sometimes that food is just as good as stuff at the restaurant. You like to feel?
Oh my god, there's Kinder ice cream.
Oh my god.
It's crazy.
Bro, why do you like Kinder so much?
It's just nice. Kinder's just good. That's it.
As for me, Estrella Galicia. Anyways, guys, we got a lot of content coming up on this trip, so hit that subscribe button, like, and comment if you have any questions for me. I'd love to hear about it.